Hi, this is Jane and I'm Sonia from Sustain My Craft Habit. We are two sisters that have made a home business doing what we love, and that is crafting. But living and working out of our houses is a bit of a challenge, so we're constantly managing the mess that our kids, so Jane has 4, I have 1, and the mess that we make from our craft supplies.
I've always wondered about getting a robotic vacuum for my home, but wasn't sure if it would be worthwhile or worth the cost. They seem pretty expensive. So when Eureka reached out and offered for us to try their Eureka Groove robotic vacuum cleaner, we had to see if it would hold up to the needs of these two professional crafting moms. Now you can find the link to the Eureka Groove robotic vacuum cleaner on Amazon in our description below.
So if you have 4 kids, does that mean that you think you're keeping it?
Yes. So we've gathered some of our messiest craft and kid supplies here to really put the Eureka Groove robotic vacuum cleaner to the test. This vacuum boasts a powerful suction,
Easy setup,
clear transparent top to be able to troubleshoot,
and it's designed to reduce tangles.
the technology is built for easy transitions across surfaces,
And an anti-scratch brush roll, which is perfect for hardwood surfaces. So I guess with all of that, we're hoping that we're gonna finally be able to craft like children and not worry about the mess.
Okay, so for this very scientific experiment, I have my trusty washi tape.
Now that Jane's taped off the space, I get to make the mess. Everything from pine cone seeds, threads, granola, and glitter. The main feature of the vacuum is its BLDC motor with huge suction power of 2000 PA, which is much more than other brands. It all sounds great, but can it pick up glitter? It also has a groove gear feature, meaning it can easily transition over 20mm height differences. Like our space, we have an area rug, then we have hardwood, and then we have ceramic.
Our mess is all set for the test. Let's see how it goes.
It's going well, but Sonia's decided she doesn't want to ruin my new vacuum with the tape. The suction's great, it's even pulled up all the washi tape.
Okay, so the vacuum's gone over our mess about 6 times, so we wanted to stop it and see what it's collected. Oh, well, there's actually glitter in there. Okay, although it was a lot of fun making that mega mess, I think our expectation of the robotic vacuum was a little unrealistic, and our thought was it was going to work a lot like our central vac, which is not going to be the case. So instead, we're going to continue to do some tests, but we're going to do individual, kind of more everyday messes and see how that goes.
First up is thread. It picks it up with no troubles. As for the beads and sequins, it picked it up in just a couple of passes. And great results with the granola. As for the hamster bedding, it did an okay job. It took a couple passes. And then for the pine cones, it did really well on the carpet. Last up is the glitter. This shows you why crafting with glitters is such a nightmare. But even the central vac struggles to pick up glitter.
Okay, so it was really fun putting the Eureka Groove robotic vacuum to the test with some of our more common craft and kid mess items. Overall, it performed really well no matter which surface or product we used it on, except for maybe the glitter. But glitter just gets everywhere. It sucks. So now having the chance to use the vacuum in my home for a little while, I really appreciate just having it run around in the background and pick up all the little crumbs and messes that we leave that we don't even realize we're leaving.
Yeah, and I personally love some of the smart features that we didn't even touch on, like the Easy App setup, being able to schedule the vacuum to turn on and off using my phone, the sensors that it has to prevent it from bumping into things or falling down the stairs. For more information on those details, you can check out our blog post at Sustain My Craft Habit.
And to pick up the Eureka Groove robotic vacuum for your home, we've left the link to Amazon in the description below. So maybe Santa will bring you one for Christmas, Sonia.
I sure hope so. I'll get you his number.
Okay.
So have you ever owned a robotic vacuum? If so, what's been your favorite feature? And if not, what's been holding you back from getting one?
For more craft ideas, DIYs, and home decor projects, please be sure to subscribe. So say happy cleaning. Happy vacuuming.